Oh my god, Hisashiburi everyone! Welcome back to Japanese IRL, where I'll be introducing a Japanese word or phrase that I've heard in real life. We're back! We're back! But please, please, please click on that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because there's no set schedule yet, and that way it'll let you know when there's a surprise video uploaded for you. Yeah. This is Tati. That was Tati. I also changed the background a little bit because it's just a little bit easier for me and probably better for you, and sometimes the kitties might make appearances, so that might make it more fun. So yeah, it has been a while, it has been a minute, so of course the word that we're gonna have to go with today is Hisashiburi. And Hisashiburi means that it's been a while, it's been a minute, it's been a long time no see. Adding O to Hisashiburi to make OHISASHIBURI makes it a little bit more formal, but not too formal. So when in doubt, always go with OHISASHIBURI. Hisashiburi and OHISASHIBURI are two very important Aisatsu, and I did another video about this, but Aisatsu are greetings, which are so important in Japanese culture because being acknowledged is good. You can say how much time has elapsed, like just how much time has elapsed, by adding the suffix buri to the end of like a time period. So for example, ICHINEN buri, it's been 1 year. Or like 1週間 buri, it's been 1 week.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me.
ごめんなさいは2日間がかかる。ごめんなさい. So the last Japanese IRL video was 3 years ago. 3 years ago, guys. I am so sorry. Oh my god. 3年ぶり. OHISASHIBURI. So Hisashiburi and OHISASHIBURI both mean, you know, it's been a while, long time no see, all that. It's been a minute. So I'm thinking, how long is that? What's the range? What's your opinion on that? I'm thinking a minimum of a week to like an endless max. But of course, the longer it's been, the more you gotta put into it, you know, like OHISASHIBURI. Anyway, I am truly sorry. It really has been a long time, but it is so good to be back. I have missed you guys. If you want to know what happened, there's not really any real drama to it. It's just I didn't really feel like making videos, and if that feeling is not there, it's not really fair to me, it's not fair to you guys, and it's not gonna be a good video. So like, Hisashiburi ni, I'm feeling it again, and I'm very happy about that. So here I am getting back into all this again, and I don't even remember if I know how to do it anymore, but please give me a little bit of a learning curve here. The lighting sucks, I get it. That's gonna take some work. Please give me time. I do want to improve all of this for you. But in the meantime, please, I cannot ask you enough to subscribe and ring the notification bell, because usually I keep these videos under 3 minutes and ad free, and YouTube's algorithms don't seem to like that and they don't show up. So please be sure to ring that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's bring this channel back to life. I would love to see your examples and experiences with Hisashiburi in the comments section below. And I just love your comments, okay? Throughout all of this hiatus, there have been comments still popping up on my videos, particularly the one Yareyare. A lot of JoJo fans have seen that video and liked that video and are commenting the best comments, and I will try to respond as much as I can. But JoJo fans, you guys are the best. You have inspired me to try to, you know, see that series for myself, and you guys have brought this channel back to life too. So thank you. Yareyare. The show notes are available in the description box down below for your convenience. Yeah. So I know it's redundant by now, but please subscribe and ring that little bell for notifications for more Japanese IRL. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.